Go sit next to Jake. Go over there and squat down right next to Jake. Just sit still. Just let him come to you, Emma. Put your hands in. Put your hand in. Just sit still. As soon as they get done with all that food, they'll be all interested. Oh, macaroni. They are psyched. Look at them. They are totally into macaroni. Sit still.
The little runt. It's the little runt. Nanny, look, it's the little runt. What I'm petting?
Yeah.
That's the little runt. Oh my God, they like me. They like me, Nanny. They like me.
Yeah, look out. They're everywhere, man.
Just pushed me.
Just go sit right next to Jake. Sit right next to him. Yeah, see?
I can lift the little runt out.
I got to pet it.
You won't squeal for like 2 seconds, then it'll go.
Is this the little runt?
Yeah.
She's gonna get your shirt. That one behind you.
Oh my God.
She's gonna bite you.
Kind of actually tickles. They love me, Jacob. Then come towards me.
Why?
Because they love me.
They don't. They like
Yeah, you do. I like both of you.
The little
You
runt.
guys should have seen me the other night. You, Emma. You.
One was showing his butt in my face. One time. It was so funny. Little runt. Little runty. Little runt.
Look at the little runt.
Watch your fingers. Yeah.
The little ones like that. Oh my God, they love me. This is creeping me out. They love me. Let me guess, you're taking a video.
Yeah, videoing you.
Oh my God, they love me.
You got any sneakers left there, Jake?
Yeah, I do. Look at my shirt now.
I know, they chewed on it. Got video of him chewing on it.
3 spots.
Go stand right next to Jake.
It's 3 spots.
Little 3-spot? Oh, there you are. Little friendly 3-spot.
This one likes me so much.
Yeah.
And
Look at
I
that.
like it too. This is my favorite one.
Scratch him. Scratch, 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 scratch. Oh, yeah. Scratch, scratch, scratch. They like to be scratched. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We're talking some serious scratching there.
Little runt. The runt likes
Oh, God. You're eating my sock. You're eating my $20 sock. Oh, you're eating my $20 sock. Come on. That's a $20 sock. You don't need that.
Well, 3-spot. spot. He's eating your sneaker too, yeah.
Free spot.
Oh yeah, scratch. Scratch, scratch, scratch.
Front.
Watch behind you, honey. 3 spots eating you.
3 spots eating you, Emma.
Why was he in my spot?
Did you see me? I tried lifting one up with
I
it.
saw that.
And I actually got it a little. Free dessert.
Yeah, be careful. Pay attention.
They're swarming you.
Pay attention, they're swarming you. They like the smell of your legs, boy.
I want to get out of
Well,
here.
get right out.
Now they're all come to me. Yay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9.
Little stinky little pigs. Little stinky pigs.
That spaghetti was just kicking in.
Oh, yeah. Whew.
3 spots likes me.
Yeah, I see that.
Right, 3 spots.
Give him a good old scratch. Right behind you.
He deserves it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, big one. Big scratch. Oh, yeah. Lots of... Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let me gallop around. Oh, yeah. Let me scratch. Scratch them all. They'll all run. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Scratch the little piggies. Scratch the little piggies. Scratch those little piggies.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh, you do piggies. Oh, you scratch them.
The little one just likes to stay by the
Scratch the little piggies. Oh, yeah.
The
Scratch,
little
scratch,
one
scratch,
only
scratch.
stays by the soft. So
Scratch, 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 scratch.
that's all the
What?
rod does.